welcome to the channel. What I'm going to do next is to clean this up and try to replace some of these screws, because there's so many screws here which are basically just rounded off or destroyed or damaged, and I'm a bit worried that I will not be able to open those screws at all after a while. So I'm trying to replace. I have a set of screws which are from my TRX6 projects, stainless ones. I will put some of these there. Let's see how many I can put. But I think the main part is also to clean this up. It's really dirty in many places. Maybe add some grease. I tried different ways to clean. This is a good one. It's contact cleaner PRF-TCC. It doesn't damage plastics and other stuff. So I take this one, some toilet paper, spray it around and start cleaning it up. Okay, most of it is cleaned, at least generally. I think I need to, when I disassemble some parts, I need to clean them out more thoroughly if needed. And yes, I could polish all of this to be very highly polished aluminium, but this oxidation here also protects aluminium. And anyway, I'm going to cover it with something. Interesting feature, I found out that these shock towers are actually not original. They're completely self-made. They look nice here, but when you look underneath, you can see that they're a bit roughly made. Same, a lot of other stuff is self-made. So yeah, definitely have no problem now continue modifying this to something else. And definitely I would say that the contact cleaner, which I showed earlier, works really well in cleaning up bodies out of residual grease, dirt and so on. To my positive surprise, I've noticed that almost every screw bearing, every part in this RC is standard. It's not that small stuff which is so predominantly manufacturer specific in RC world. But moreover, almost everything here is something you can find in normal engineering world designs. Everything is standard. A lot of the stuff, parts, I can still get from somewhere else. I'm going to have really fun modifying this, and I'm really hoping that you viewers will give some input on what crazy stuff I could do to this. So next, I will try to replace some of the worst screws that have gone completely broke here. Okay, I finally replaced some of the screws over there, and not everything, but some of the ones that had been damaged. You can see some of the newer screws now in place there. It took quite a long time. There were so many screws that was completely stuck. I had to drill them out, saw them, do all kind of stuff to get them out. Yeah, wasn't easy. Eventually we'll replace more screws, but I'm kind of happy what I got done now. So I think next I will need to start ordering some new parts to this, maybe some upgrade parts, replacing some parts that are broken, old or plastic. But it turned out to be a lot cleaner now, with new screws replaced. So many screws was really stuck there that now it's much better. I need to start thinking about, do I keep these tires? Do I put something else, some other type of attachment for tires? Same for the front. What else? Upgrade parts. I think next I need to really start doing a lot of shopping for this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe.